If you have not played role-playing games before and you're interested, and it just seems like D&D is slightly too intimidating, or maybe if you've played D&D, maybe you played once and you had like a 5 or 6 hour session and you spent 2 hours creating your character. You had to look 3 different places in the book to do that. Then you spent like 3 hours fighting 5 skeletons and an hour shopping, and you were like, this isn't what I signed up for. Try Dungeon World. With Dungeon World, you'll only ever buy one book that's about $30 online, a little less if you get the PDF and print it out like I did. PDFs of the character sheets are free online. Everything you ever need to build and level up your character, if you're a ranger, is on these 2 sheets of paper. There's just something really nice about that if you're just getting started and you don't want to have to buy 3 books and look 20 places to make your character. For the DM, the front mechanic for prepping for your adventures, I just find to be so much more fun than prepping for D&D, and it leaves so much room for your players to explore the space and really play and create. So if you're interested in running a Dungeon World campaign or playing in a Dungeon World campaign, I am going to give 3 different ideas for how to get started right away. So stay tuned for a few more videos where I am going to talk about how to get started in Dungeon World if you're new to role-playing games.